Seven psychological tricks to make anyone instantly like you. Science backed social skills. Have you ever met someone who just light up the room? Within minutes, everyone seems drawn to them. Well, that's not luck, it is science. Today, I am revealing 7 psychology tricks that can make anyone instantly like you. Backed by real research, let's go started. Mirror their body language. When you subtly mirror someone movements, posture, and even their speaking space, you create an instant feeling of similarity. Our brain are wired to trust people who seem like us. For example, if they learn forward while speaking, learn in slightly too. If they are speaking slowly, match that pace. The key is subtlety. You are not copying them, you are harmonizing with them. Over time, they will feel like you are on the same wavelength. Use their name often. A person's name is one of the sweetest sounds that can hear. When you use someone's name during a conversation, especially at the beginning, and it makes them feel recognized and respected. Imagine meeting someone named Sarah. Instead of just saying, "Nice to meet you," say, "Nice to meet you, Sarah." It is a small detail, but it builds an instant connection. Give genuine, specific compliments. Most people can tell when you are just saying something nice to be polite, but a compliment that's specific and sincere sticks with them. For example, instead of saying "you are smart," say "I really admire how you explained that complex idea so clearly." That level of detail shows that you are paying attention, and people love feeling seen. Show you are actively listening. In a world full of distraction, active listening is rare and powerful. Make eye contact, nod, and essentially repeat or reperhash with what they just said. If someone says, "I have been working on a big project lately," you could respond, "That sounds exciting. What's been the most challenging part?" This shows that you are engaged and genuinely interested in them, not just waiting for your turn to speak. Find common ground quickly. Humans are drawn to people who share similar experiences, interests, or values. When you discover a shared hobby, background, or even a favorite TV show, it creates an instant bond. For example, if someone says the love hiking and you have hiked before, share your experience. It's like finding and hiding bridge between two strangers. Suddenly, you are not so different after all. 6. Open up first. Trust work like a mirror. When you open up, others feel safe to do the same. Share a light personal story or small vulnerability. First, for instance, if you are in a few new group, you might say, I will admit I was a little nervous coming here today. This honesty makes you relatable and human. People tend to like and trust those who are authentic, not those who try to seem perfect. 7. Use warm and positive energy. Energy is contagious. If you approach someone with a warm smile, good posture, and a friendly tone, you instantly become more approachable. Think about it. You are naturally drawn to people who make you feel good about yourself. Even in serious conversation, keeping your tone respectful and positive makes others you want to be around you. These 7 psychological tricks are not about manipulation, they are about creating genuine human connection. Try one or two today and notice how people respond. Over time, you will not just make people like you will build stronger, more meaningful relationship. If you found this helpful, tap the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to improve their social skills. Remember, kindness never goes out of style. And thank you.